One morning, in a small village, a boy named Bilal was walking home from school when he found a shiny wallet lying on the road. He picked it up and opened it. Inside were money and an ID card. Bilal's heart raced. "I could buy a toy I always wanted," he thought. But then he remembered what his teacher always said: "Honesty is the best gift you can give to the world." Bilal decided to find the wallet's owner. He showed it to the shopkeeper nearby, who recognized the person on the ID. Together, they went to the man's house. The man was very surprised and happy. "Thank you so much, Bilal. This wallet had my salary for the whole month." He gave Bilal a warm hug and a small gift box. Inside was a notebook and a pen with golden words: "Honest hearts shine the brightest." Bilal smiled proudly. He didn't buy a toy that day, but he received something even more special: the joy of being honest. Moral: honesty is the most valuable treasure.